Social justice or discrimination? That is the question tonight in Minneapolis, where a teachers union and the school board say if necessary, white educators will be laid off before teachers of color, regardless of seniority. Correspondent Garrett Tenney reports tonight from our Midwest Bureau. Good evening, Garrett.
Brett, good evening to you. That is just one of the so-called anti-racist provisions in a tentative agreement between Minneapolis Public Schools and the teachers union. Under this new contract, which is still being finalized, if the district is forced to lay off teachers, race will take precedent over experience and seniority when deciding who gets let go. In a section titled Protections for Educators of Color, the contract says if accessing, which means laying off or relocating, a teacher who is a member of a population underrepresented among licensed teachers in the site, the district shall access the next least senior teacher who is not a member of an underrepresented population. That same policy would apply to the order in which teachers are reinstated to job openings. MPS says these changes are needed, quote, to remedy the continuing effects of past discrimination by the district, to improve the retention of teachers of color, and to ultimately have a workforce that reflects the demographics of the city's schools. Currently, 60% of MPS students are non-white compared to just 33% of staff. But some critics argue the policy is unconstitutional and has almost no chance of surviving if it's challenged in court.
The Supreme Court has repeatedly said that an attempt to remedy past discrimination that no longer exists by discriminating in the present is a violation of the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment, and that's the case here.
And James Dickey's office says he has already heard from taxpayers and teachers in Minneapolis who want to challenge this policy if it's not changed. The teachers union is not backing down, though. In fact, some of its members are suggesting this policy could serve as a model for schools nationwide. Brett.
We'll follow that one, Garrett. Thank you.